Hello friends, today we are very glad to announce our new service Tech Mitra, which helps you to grow your business with the technology. Tech Mitra, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Whenever you required any kind of technical help for your business, you can connect to Tech Mitra. Objective of Tech Mitra is boost your business with the technology. In Tech Mitra, we are covering 5 services which are absolutely free and anyone can avail this to boost and grow the business. In this, we have first session e-learning, second new technology, third mobile app, 4 IT and server, and fifth very amazing feature BConnect. Let's brief the first service e-learning. Under the e-learning session, we are going to announce the webinar for learning for Tally and Smart Billing, right from basic to advanced level. Also, some sessions arranged for owners to analysis MIS reports within the software. And also whenever the software gets updated, a new version or release will come. Also new feature will be immediately handled by e-learning sessions. E-learning will be held on Thursday. Second, new technology. For a business to move faster in current age, one need to stay updated with the upcoming technologies which help business to boost and grow faster. Under this session, we will help you out and showcasing some of the technology which can help and boost your business. We also have the showcase of customized module of Tally of different industries. So stay connected on Saturday for new technology sessions. Third is mobile app. In today, we have so many requests for the right mobile app. So we have filtered some of the mobile app which is work well with the Tally and another some of the tracking and mobile apps are also there. So in mobile app session, we showcase or demonstrate some of the available good mobile apps which can help you for your business. Third, IT server. As we know, in current age, one need to stay updated and for that hardware and IT infrastructures also get updated soon. So if you have any kind of hardware and server requirement, you can drop a mail to us at info@creativesoft.in and we have the expert panel for that who can guide you how you can do it at your premises in a better way. It is either RDP server management, user space management, user rights and restrictions, and the easy data backup and storage. So if you have any hardware infrastructure updation or new hardware requirement, you can connect to our experts. Similarly, we have also accounting and CA experts with us on this platform who can very glad to help you for your business financial advisories. So if anyone needs bookkeeping, just a simple bookkeeping service or accounting to be done or a CA consultancy service required, also can drop a mail to info@creativesoft.in. Our experts will happy to help you. Now the most amazing feature, BConnect. It is a business to business connect. This session is designed to promote local business and connect more local businesses to work well in post-COVID situation and work faster. So it is designed for owners only, where one can share the business profile, key description of the goods and services provided by them, and also help to make an awareness of digital presence of their business on our all official social media. It is a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. It is held on last Saturday of every month. It is arranged by a small request from your side. You need to drop at info@creativesoft.in that you are interested to share your business. We'll verify the request, and in a certain format you need to give your information like this: the logo and the company detail and the description or business type you need to provide to us, and we'll arrange that for you on last Saturday of the month, where on that session 10 business houses connect to each other and share the profile. We also do the EDM and digital awareness of this session, so you can have more number of users or connections on that day. You can also share that to your groups to get maximum numbers of businesses get benefited. So let's stand together and promote the local business houses and make it successful Make in India concept. So let's stand for Vocal for Local. So just recapping the schedule of Tech Mitra: e-learning on Thursday. Who can attend? Owner, staff, friend, student, anyone who want to learn and grow can attend e-learning sessions. New technology sessions held on Saturday. This is also attended by owner, staff, friend, student, or anyone who want to learn. Be Connect. It is on last Saturday of the month and strictly for the owners only. Owner can represent their business to another owner. This is the concept of Be Connect. So explore the concept for your business and presence yourself digitally on big platforms and grow your business. Your suggestions are matter to us. So if you have any feedback or suggestions regarding Tech Mitra, you can drop your mail at info@creativesoft.in. For our upcoming session alerts, do follow our Facebook page, Insta page, or YouTube page. It is very easy to get connected and get alerts of upcoming sessions. Thank you. If you like, share it to your friends. Stay connected with us. Signing off, Tech Mitra.